With this debit card right here, you can get up to 15% cash back, get paid up to 2 days early, and overdraft up to $100 without any fees. In this video, I will be reviewing the current debit card to see if it's worth the hype. What's up, winners? My name is Nam. If you're new here, welcome. Here we talk all things personal finance and credit, starting out by subscribing so you don't miss out on any future videos. As a disclaimer, I just want you guys to know that Current did reach out to me to take a look at this product and to give an honest review and perspective from someone who talks all about personal finance products. If you spent some time on YouTube, you might have came across this card from your favorite influencers such as Mr. Beast, Logan Paul, and many others. So it is only right for me to do a deeper dive on Current to show you guys exactly what it's all about. Even though this is a sponsored video, my only condition was to give an honest review from a person who reviews financial products all the time. So no pressure. If you guys want to support the channel, I do have an affiliate link down in the description below. If not, it's totally cool. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Before we get into the quick details of this debit card, let's do a quick unboxing or unlettering to see what you get whenever you sign up. Once approved, you will just receive your card in its standard envelope. All it is a piece of paper that welcomes you to your new card. Once you open it up, all you would see is the card stuck into the middle, and then from there, all you would have to do is just activate it using your app. It also comes with a slip to set up your direct deposit with your Current account so you can give it to your employer once you're ready. So first off, let's discuss who Current is exactly. This is a fintech company that's based out of New York and offers debit cards and personal checking accounts for those who's working towards financial goals. Current is the modern way to manage your money that helps you spend and save better so you have the freedom to do you. Essentially, Current is the future of banking. So with that being said, these are the key highlights with Current. You'll be able to manage your money through a mobile app and a debit card. Get paid up to 2 days faster with direct deposit, get points and cash back with the premium plan. You can deposit checks mobilely, add cash at over 60,000 stores, overdraft protection, withdraw cash from 40,000 free ATMs, and instantly send or receive money from other Current members instantaneously. Now let's break down the plans and fees that are associated with Current. They have a basic Current account, which is free and comes with standard features. This checking account compares well to other free online checking accounts that you would expect from modern online services. There's no monthly fee or minimum balance that is required when opening. So here are the key highlights with the basic account. You get a free white card, standard direct deposit times, one savings pod, a budget for a single category of spending, spending insights, instant notifications for purchases, and no overdraft or hidden fees. Now, if you want extra benefits that Current has to offer, you can sign up for the premium account, which is $4.99 per month. With this type of account, you will get an exclusive Black Premium Current card, early access to direct deposits, up to 2 days depending on your employer, 3 savings pods, budgets for each category of spending, spending insights, gas station authorizations immediately credited, no overdraft or hidden fees, and instant notifications for purchases. There's also a teen account, which costs $36 a year, and as a parent, it will give you complete control and visibility into your teen's spending habits. So if you are a parent and you want to give your teenager some financial education on how to spend their money, this will be a good choice for you. Some of the features with Current are very unique in their own way, so we're going to do a deeper dive on each one of them a little bit later in this video. So by now you should know what are the options and highlights that you can have with Current. Now let's talk about signing up. To open up a Current account, it is incredibly easy. All you would have to do is to download the app on your smartphone, plug in your social security number, address, and other personal information. So since this is a mobile checking account, you may be wondering, how do I deposit cash? To deposit cash into your Current account, all you would have to do is go to the app and find the map of the locations of where you can deposit cash. There are more than 60,000 stores nationwide, including CVS, 7-Eleven, Dollar General, and Family Dollar that accepts cash deposits to your Current account. So the way that you would do this is whenever you're at the store, you would tell the cashier that you want to deposit cash. You would then have to generate a barcode in the Current app and give it to the cashier to scan. Once they have scanned that code, the cashier will provide you with a receipt and that money is instantly available in your account. But there are some deposit limits that you must be aware of. You can deposit up to $500 per transaction and up to $1,000 per day. In addition, you can only deposit up to $10,000 per month in cash. It is pretty great that you have the option to deposit cash if you really need it, but if you are depositing cash frequently and you deposit more than a certain amount per day or per month, then some of the limitations with Current may be too restricting for you. On the other hand, depositing checks is much easier with the Current app. All you would have to do is take a picture of the front and the back of the check. But there could be a waiting period that can take up to 5 business days for the check to clear. And as a side note, the check must be written to you. Current does not accept any checks written to a business name that has been altered or signed over to you, money orders, cashier checks, and any non-US bank checks. Now let's keep it moving with savings. Currently, Current does not offer a personal savings account. However, they do have something that's very innovative called savings pods. In my personal opinion, This is a game changer because I love this idea. How saving pods work, they're like a small individual account that is set aside for savings goals. For instance, you can set up a rainy day or a travel fund, and you can transfer money into the saving pods from your check-ins account. You also have the option to set up a direct deposit and add new funds to them monthly. There's also a roundup feature that will round up all of your payments to the nearest dollar, placing the access into the savings pot. Essentially, you can save without even thinking about it. For example, if you purchase something that costs $10.75, you will see $11 deducted from your checking account, and 25 cents that will be deposited into your savings pod. With the basic plan, it comes with one savings pod, while the premium plan comes with 3. The reason why I like this so much is that it makes budgeting so much simpler. I always condone budgeting, and this is something that me and Dave Ramsey can agree upon. Normally, I would have multiple checking and saving accounts where I would use these accounts for separate things. So I have one where I set aside for vacations, an emergency fund, a fund whenever I want to travel to my parents, and a yearly allowance that I can use for clothing. By having saving pods, you can have all of these funds in one place. It does make things a little bit more simpler to organize rather than moving money between a bunch of different bank accounts. Now moving on to one of my favorite features about the current debit card, which is the ability to get cash back. This is one of the many setbacks with many debit cards that you get from traditional banks. You most likely would not receive any cash back on any of your spending. This feature is usually left up to credit cards. With the current debit card, you can earn up to 15x points at participating retailers. You can redeem your points for a premium subscription or cash into your current account. So if you are currently working with a basic free plan, you can essentially earn enough cash back to pay for the premium subscription to get access to the additional features. To see what stores are eligible for points, all you would have to do is go to your app and tap on the points icon, and you will see which stores are near you. But one thing that you have to make note of is that you do not earn these points automatically. You must tap on the participating retailer and activate their offer. So if you decided to shop or eat at one of these merchants, but you did not activate their offer, you would not be earning these points. Also, you gotta be aware that you can only activate one offer at a time. If you wanted to switch merchants, you would have to go into your app and change it. Based on my experience, once you activated an offer, you would have 4 hours for you to charge that account to be eligible for the cash back. So I would recommend just to know where you want to get cash back, and once you are there, just activate the offer in the app. Current, they estimate that their members could save up to $165 per year in cash back just from gas purchases alone. So if you shop at any of the merchants often, you could save much more. So on the topic of getting money back, another neat feature that Current offers is gas hold removals at the pump. Whenever you purchase gas at any gas station, you may notice that there's a charge that's on hold for a few days. For instance, I live in Southern California where gas is quite expensive. If I were to put $50 into my card will be on hold for $100 for a few days. I don't know about you, but I find it quite annoying whenever your account is on hold. Typically, your card will not allow you to exceed this amount unless you have an existing limit. The reason why gas stations do this is that they want to make sure that your transaction is cleared, so they can receive the full payment for the gas. So whenever you purchase gas with Current, save $50, and they put a $100 hold on your account, Current will remove that hold automatically, and you'll receive a push notification for the amount refunded. This is something that I really like, especially if you are on a tight budget. So having some money put on hold for a few days is definitely inconvenient. I'm pretty sure that all of us can agree that one of the most annoying things about traditional banks is overdraft fees. On average, these little fees can cost around $35 per occurrence. So if you ever found yourself stuck in a situation where you needed some extra cash, but you didn't get paid just quite yet, Current has this feature called Overdrive that will get you covered. So with this feature, Current will allow you to overdraft up to $100 if you're a premium account member and deposit at least $500 per month into your current account. Saving money on overdraft fees can save you a lot of time in awkward conversations by begging the financial institution for forgiveness. But the downsides with this feature is that it's only up to $100, and you may not get that much upfront. Current says that their customers start off at $25, then accounts are reviewed for an increase up to $100. Additionally, if you were to qualify for overdrive, you would still have to opt in. So this will not happen automatically, so don't expect to avoid overdraft fees even if you think you already qualify. But I look at this feature like this. It's almost like a little cash cushion in case of a minor emergency. I understand that $100 may not seem that much, but if you are in a pickle, something is better than nothing. Now moving on to Current Pay. If you have any friends or family members who have a current account, you can pay or receive money absolutely for free. As you probably may know, there are plenty of companies out there that are third parties to traditional banks that allow you to send money between different people. Current has their own money sharing feature, which allows you to use your Current tag where you can quickly send and receive money without any fees. The only downside that I can imagine with this feature is that if you don't have any friends or family members that has a Current account, then this feature would not do anything for you. The bottom line is that Current is an excellent option for those who are looking for a mobile-only banking app. It offers some pretty great features, especially for the younger audience who are new to managing their money. You have the ability to track your money, manage it with savings pods, receive cash back, and plenty of other things. This app is beautifully designed with a great user experience. With access to over 40,000 fee-free ATMs, you should be able to find an ATM that's within your network. Despite being a mobile-only checking account, if you are dealing with a lot of cash deposits or cash withdrawals, then this may be a little bit inconvenient for you. To get the most out of Current, you would have to sign up for the premium account, but you can always receive cash back and pay that towards a premium account if you want the extra features. I do believe that Current is worth a try, so if you guys want to get started today, I do have a link down in the description below. If you want to hang out with me some more, check out my videos over here.